Hello, hi Esoterica viewers. Today I am going to show you my little shopping haul from Salem, Massachusetts. And of course I had to buy tarot cards. These are 3 that I haven't had in my collection yet. I'm really excited to show them to you. I'm going to unbox this one today. So look for these 2 in an upcoming video. But for now, let's see the Magickal Spellcards by Lucy Cavendish. They're quite big. What is this? Just a protective piece of paper. We have the book and the cards. How nice. Love is the first card. Abundance, prosperity, beauty. See how many? There's 45 cards. So let's give these a shuffle and see what would be the most appropriate for us today in this welcoming video for Magickal Spellcards. What drew me to this deck was that there are little easy spells that you can do to help with whatever guidance comes up. So let's see what comes up for us. I set the intention for a wonderful spell or guidance or both for this introduction to Magickal spell cards. Ooh. Well, this one jumped out face up. I see. So what I like about this deck and the guidebook is that there is an introduction to magic and spell casting and understanding more about what it is. And really, magic is just, I feel like it's an affirmation that you are activating with elements. And you can do that through a ritual or through a beautiful casting of your desires out into the world with your voice, with your energy. I always like to empower with the elements, so we'll see what it says here. So beauty was our card. Nearly everyone at one time or another has wished they were beautiful. Everyone is beautiful, and everyone has their own unique expression of beauty. However, the mythic power of a lovely face and desirable form is a very real source of power within our cultures. It can have very unhealthy manifestations. With this spell, you will conjure forth the true beauty that sleeps deep within you. This spell will help you feel beautiful, and as a result, you will radiate a kind of loveliness. Your inner beauty will blossom, and you will be like a light in the darkness. If this card has chosen you, the universe wants you to know that being beautiful is natural outcome of beauty that already exists within you. It is about letting go of the critical gaze you may have developed, the stereotypes that surround us all, and knowing that within you is beauty. This spell will reconnect your inner beauty with your outer self, thus reconnecting your inner and outer selves. You will look upon your own divine form with sincere love and respect. You will become beautiful by knowing that beauty is present within you and always will be. If you have chosen this spell, much love to you. You are ready to overcome feelings of not being good enough and to embrace that you are worthy, that you are beautiful, that you are desirable. When you cast this spell, you will be harnessing the power of your own inner beauty. This will manifest on your face, in your body, and in the way you treat yourself, and thus the way others treat you will also transform. Everyone is beautiful. We simply need to learn how to recognize and acknowledge this beauty and then radiate it outwards into the world where others can behold it. This sets up a ripple effect where other people begin to explore the beauty of the divine within their own form and face. The world is a better place when people celebrate their own beauty. The spell will more than help you on your way to recognizing your own. Okay, beauty spell. On a Friday night during a waxing moon, spend a little time at your altar. On your altar, charge a little jasmine oil, just a teaspoonful, blended with a base oil so it will be gentle upon your skin. Visualize a circle of beautiful rose-colored light surrounding you and begin to truly connect with your own self and the beauty that lies within. No matter your age, your gender, your sex, your form, your face, you are beautiful. Keeping this energy intact, run yourself a bath and pour the oil you charged upon your altar into the tub. While you bathe, chant, "Beauty my soul, beauty my form, beauty my face." At night, at dawn, beauty at birth, beauty at rest, beauty when life puts me to the test. I have a form which is divine. I allow what is within to shine, and by the power of 3 by 3, as I do will, so mote it be. After your bath fills you with beauty and the energy of belief in your beauty, pat yourself dry, wrap yourself up gently, and go to a mirror or use a hand mirror at your altar. Gaze upon your face, your form. See its perfection. And when negative thoughts come up, just observe them and let them pass. They are not the truth. Make a commitment to treasure what you have been blessed with and dedicate yourself to honoring your beauty from this time forth. This spell will come forth for you again when you have need of being reminded of this sacred truth. Finally, let the circle of pink light about you now shimmer and gently be reabsorbed into the universe. By recognizing your own beauty, you free others to do the same and increase the vibration of self-acceptance and self-worth all about you. This is a blessing for all. Wow, that's really pretty. A form which is divine. I allow what is within to shine. Absolutely a beautiful card and a beautiful wish for all of us. Well, thank you very much to this beautiful deck and to this beautiful card. I really appreciate it. So put that back in there. Thank you again. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye for now.